What I'm about to share with you is something that you cannot find anywhere else. This video isn't just another how-to or something packed with just so many strategies that you don't even know what to do with it. I'm about to share with you everything that you need to know before dropshipping 2025, giving the stuff that the most successful people in the industry just don't talk about. Because quite frankly, the difference between knowing what I'm about to share with you inside this video and not knowing it is the difference between starting your journey successfully or needing to pay thousands of dollars for help. And I'm telling you right now, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to launch your dropshipping journey with confidence and clarity so you're set up for success. Number one, mindset is absolutely essential for success. It requires dedication, resilience, and the willingness to learn from setbacks. The amount of times I failed, I cannot even count on my fingers. And that's because, quite frankly, failing is just part of running a business. And understanding that failures are just part of the journey will only fast track your way to success. Because if you treat failures as a way of defeat instead of a way to learn and actually use that to improve or not fail in the future, then you're only going to fail. So use failures as lessons and don't use them as actual failures. With that being said, it's also very important to define your why and your purpose in terms of why you're starting in dropshipping in the first place. Is it for a luxury vacation? Is it for extra income for your kids? Or is it that you actually want to retire your parents? Whatever goal you might have, I really don't care. And I'm only here to help you succeed in reaching those goals. It does not matter what your goals are. I just want you to hit your goals and actually achieve what you want in life. The second most important thing about dropshipping in 2025 is really the budget. And what about the budget, you might ask? It is that starting with $0 is absolutely unrealistic. You might see lots of YouTube videos out there that say start dropshipping with $0 or start dropshipping with $50. It's just unrealistic. The recommended budget for dropshipping, specifically high ticket dropshipping, is going to be $1,500 to $2,000 if you're going to self-teach yourself. And quick plug, I have a free course down in the description below that's on school that you can learn how to start high ticket dropshipping for free. And if you're going to start with a mentor, then I recommend a budget about $5,000, $10,000 if you're going to work with a mentor to actually help you succeed a lot quicker. Some essential monthly costs that include with running a dropshipping business is number one, Shopify store subscription. Right now it costs $39.99 a month, and there's actually a special deal for just $1 a month for the first 3 months. I have a link down below that you can claim that deal. It does go away once in a while. It's really up to Shopify's control. Besides the Shopify store subscription, we have the domain name, which costs anywhere from $10 to $15 a year. And then in terms of apps that I recommend are going to be like Judge Me, Simprosis, Tab Studio, SC Bold Product Options, Essential Announcers. Those are some 5 essential apps that you absolutely need for a high ticket dropshipping store. That comes out to around $100 a month, give or take. And then the rest of the budget should be going into paid ads. And I recommend about $1,000 or $30 a day to have in terms of advertising. And quite frankly, most of our clients see their first sales in the first $500 in ad spend. And if you don't, then there's something wrong with either your ads, your website, or your sales process. If your ads are correct and you're not getting leads, that means it's your website problem. And if your website is getting leads, but the leads are not converting, then it's a sales problem. And you really need to use this psychology to understand where the problem is inside of your business, fix the leak in your leaky bucket, and actually start making high ticket sales. Number 3, the most important thing to know about dropshipping 2025 is that you need to understand how to reinvest your profits. So I recommend reinvesting about 30 to 50% of your profits back into the business. Use those profits to form a S corporation. So you obviously need to have an LLC to start high ticket dropshipping. I've done this for my LLC, and it only makes sense once you're making more than $50,000 a year in net profit, because you actually save money on taxes by switching to S corporation. And you can use those increase in profits by not paying the government to reinvest back into your business. So focus on building a sustainable revenue stream rather than short-term gains. And the fourth thing that's super important to know about dropshipping is going to be taxes. And taxes are a part of running any legitimate business. So I recommend setting up a dedicated business bank account. Track your profits and expenses using tools like BProfit or just using a simple spreadsheet that you can find in my free course down below, and set aside 10 to 20% of your net profits for taxes, and consider hiring a CPA as the business grows so you can always have the best tax advice. And with that being said, my final advice is going to be dropshipping requires commitment, patience, and a strategic approach. I recommend you watch my other videos on the channel to learn exactly how to build a profitable dropshipping business by not using Chinese suppliers, shipping from the US, and making over $300 or more profit per sale. So now you know the 5 things that you must take into consideration about dropshipping in 2025. Now, what action step are you going to take? Well, you have 2, quite frankly. Number 1 is you can check out the free course down below that's on School, where you can learn exactly how to build a high-ticket dropshipping business for free. Number 2, you can apply for coaching and work directly with me and my team to help you get to 10K a month profit in less than 24 weeks. We do have a money-back guarantee. So I recommend taking action on those 2, either the free course or apply for coaching. And if you're ready to take action and fast track your way to success. With that being said, I recommend whatever action you take, just start it today, take action, and actually build your high ticket dropshipping business to 10K a month profit and beyond. With that being said, if you have any questions, drop in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.